Hello again. Is now a good time to stock up on TIG Welding Tungsten Electrodes? Well, will the price of TIG Welding Tungsten Electrodes, Tungsten Rods, be increasing very soon? Maybe. On December 11th, 2024, the Office of the United States Trade Representative, USTR.gov, announced tariff increases under Section 301 for imports from the People's Republic of China of certain tungsten products, stating the rates for certain tungsten products will increase to 25%, taking effect on January 1, 2025. On Tuesday, February 24th, 2025, in response to the United States tariffs, China's Ministry of Commerce, MOFCOM, and General Administration of Customs, GAC, on February 4, 2025, announced their decision to export controls of items related to tungsten and other rare earth metals. There are concerns the Chinese government could add measures around tungsten scrap that would further constrict its availability, which is ultimately to be decided by China in March 2025. China accounts for 80% of global supply and supplies 45% of U.S. imports of tungsten content. Russia, China, and North Korea have about 90% of the output of the world's tungsten. As of this moment, no one in the United States mines tungsten. American Tungsten has acquired additional mining rights at its IMA mine project in Idaho, where they used to mine tungsten, or someone did. The company's ongoing efforts to restart and expand its tungsten mining operations in Idaho come at a pivotal time when the U.S. government is emphasizing the importance of mineral independence to protect national security. So that brings us back to the question, is now a good time to stock up on TIG welding tungsten electrodes? My answer is, I just bought more TIG welding tungsten electrodes last week. Think about it, research it, make up your own mind, like and subscribe.